Hey guys, Rebecca here from homeschoolon.com. I want to tell you a little story of where I am today and where I came from. When I first started blogging, I had no idea what I was getting myself into, and I really had no idea how to grow and how to monetize myself. But what I did know was that everyone told me it took 3 years in order to build a successful blog and up to 5 years in order to start seeing consistent income coming from it, and I did not believe it for a second. From day one, I pursued income, and I decided that I wanted to have a blog for a business, and I was going to blog very professionally as I could from the very beginning. And that's what I did. And from my very first year, I started making consistent income, enough so to convince my husband that this was worth investing in and worth the time that I was putting in. So that brings me to today. If you have a blog right now and you feel like it's stagnant and you're not seeing the growth that you want to see, and you're definitely not seeing the kind of numbers come in that you feel like you need to see to make it worth it, then something's got to change. And I want to help you find those things so that we can change it and make a consistent strategy for you to take your blog to the next level. Your guys' blog is unique. Your blog is unique. Your content, your voice, what you have to offer, and your strategy and how you want to see that implemented is unique. So unlike all the other courses out there that are just cut and paste for the same for everybody, this is going to be live, this is going to be one-on-one, and we're going to be able to talk through your strategies, your vision, your goals, and implement something that is very specific to you to help you see results and the kind of results that you're looking for. There's going to be live videos, daily emails, course materials, challenges, a private Facebook group. We're going to be talking about marketing. We're going to be talking about creating your own media kit. We're going to be talking about pitching clients, selling yourself, marketing and growth, all those things, but specifically and uniquely to your blog and what you want to see. If this sounds of interest to you guys, check out the link above. It's 4 weeks long. Registration closes soon because it is a live class, and I would love to see you there, and I would love to help see your blog and take it to the next level this year, this month. Talk to you guys soon.